welcome back to my channel Technical Entertainment. Today I will tell you how to run your Unix operating system, how to run Unix socket programming in the Windows operating system. Okay, so I will tell you first whenever you want to do your Unix commands or Ubuntu commands in Windows, you have to load the either Oracle VirtualBox or you can load the Ubuntu operating system. But these things will be loaded is not easy in your system because of you want to make the dual partition. Okay, when you make the after make the dual partition, then you can load the Unix or Linux or Ubuntu operating system. So this is the problem. Another thing is what you can also do the Unix operating system, Unix programs by loading the Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox will take the much space and it will also slow your system. So it will also not that means easy to do the program. Sometimes system will be hanged. So now today I will tell you there are two softwares you have to download to run the Unix socket programming and run the Unix or Ubuntu commands in your Windows operating system. So these two software files I will tell you. This is called CYGWN64 for run the Windows or Unix or Linux commands you want to do, or if you want to teach that to a student, you want to practice these commands. Okay, cat or PCP or your MV command. So you will be run the CYGWN64. It will be help you to run the Windows Ubuntu commands in your Windows operating system. So now I will show you how to run this program. Okay, I have already loaded. You can also download from the Google Play Store or Google. Okay, so here you can find CYGWN61. Okay, this folder I have loaded already. So you can find these types of subfolders are found. So here what will be do, you will be find Windows batch file CYGWN. It will make the double click. Okay, then you can find. So then you can find here you can run the several types of commands. So cat I will write suppose help. Okay, so here you can run the Ubuntu commands. Okay, so Control D is to save the file. Then if you want to display, then you can write cat help. Then it will be display the files. Okay, also other commands also run in this software ls, and also another ls -l. It will also help you to run the programs. Okay, all types of programs. Another thing is which editor support. I have tried V8 also it is supported. Suppose here I have typed VI command. You can find this VI command also supported. Okay, then to save the VI, Control Q exclamatory without saving. So this type all commands you can, it will be run in this software. Okay, what is the software? Software name is CYGWN. Okay, this will help. Another thing I want to tell you. Suppose you want to do the Unix socket program, not Windows socket programming, Unix socket programming. So it will be difficult to load the. I have previously told you it is difficult to load the Unix operating system or Ubuntu operating system. So you will be load another folder for to run this type of programs. Okay, Unix socket program. So what is okay? Then I will be run this. Okay. Then MSY64, if you want to do the Unix socket programming in Windows, then you will have to load the MSY64. So which I have here loaded. Okay, MSY64 folder you can find here, MSY64 folder. Okay, inside here you will be double click. Then here after you will be go to the MINGW64 folder. That's an icon. Okay, it's double click. You do the double click. Then what will do, it will be run this program. If you want to do the Unix socket program, then what will do, suppose here first I will access the C drive. So here you can see, suppose this is the C drive. Okay, this is the C drive. Suppose here I will be make one folder. Okay, here I will be make the one folder. Suppose okay, here I will be okay, again I will be click this. Suppose again I will be click this folder and this icon MIN G64. Then I will go to the C drive. Okay, in C drive, what will do here? I will make one folder, suppose mkdir. Okay, mkdir, suppose cn. Okay, so then press the enter. First I will access the C drive. So what will type here? C cd c colon. Okay, then I will be access the C drive. Okay, then here I will be make one folder that is called cn. So what will write? mkdir cn. Okay, then you can find also here cn folder is also created. Then I will be entering into this folder cn. Okay, then cd cn also create. I will be inside the cn folder. Okay, then in cn folder what will do? You will be make the suppose notepad. Suppose I want to do socket programming in network. Suppose I will be create a server.c. Okay, server.c file. So it will be create a server.c file. Then I will write the code. Okay, hash include. Okay, stdio.h. Then hash include. Okay, we will write. Okay, suppose sys socket.h. Okay, then int main. Okay, int main. Then what to write here? We will write suppose int fd is equal to socket. Okay, socket will write suppose af underscore inet. Okay, then it will write sock stream. We will pass the 0. Then you can display here value printf. The socket value is percentile d. Okay, you can write the fd. Okay, then bracket close. Then I will close and save this. Then I will compile gcc. Okay, server .c and -o means create an update file. So I want to tell you before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Whether you are able to try the Unix socket programming in Windows or not. Okay, then I will press, then it is successful. Then to run this program, you will write / okay, server is the executable file, press the server. Then you can find the socket value is 3. So this step you can run both Unix operating system programs and Unix operating system socket programming. Okay, in the Ubuntu operating. Have enjoyed this program without worry about how to install the Ubuntu operating system making the dual partition. Okay, bye. Thank you.